So we have Mary Grace here. Mary Grace is one of our top transformers. She's gone through our program. She's seen amazing results. So I wanted to ask her to share a few insights with all of you guys. And so Mary Grace, to start off, like where were you before you joined our program?
So before I started this program, I was always thinking about getting stronger and getting fit just because I wanted that to become part of my lifestyle, but I had no idea where to start. And I didn't really push myself to make those changes because they were really overwhelming. I was really stagnant in my fitness journey. So I was eating whatever I wanted and just kind of like eating all the junk food, chips, cake. Um, and I wasn't really taking care of myself in a healthy way. And also being really busy with work and being a full-time marketing student, it was really hard to kind of attain my fitness goals.
For sure. Like going to school full time, definitely not easy. And then it sounded like there was some stress involved, and you were eating
Yeah.
things that you know is not the healthiest thing in the world. And so when you joined our program, you've seen success. Share with us some of the habits that you've built throughout our whole program.
Yeah, so now I feel like I know what I'm looking for on my when I with what I want to put on my plate. So I'm eating a lot more fruits and vegetables now, really trying to be healthy. And then as well as that, I am constantly pushing myself to like work out 30 minutes a day, every single day. Um, and yeah, just trying to do all of that. I'm drinking more water. I'm just living a much more healthier lifestyle now.
Great. So you're exercising daily, you're drinking more water, you've been able to do that consistently now with our accountability, with our program. And so, what are the results that you've achieved so far?
So far I've lost over 14 pounds with this program.
Wow, incredible. Nice work, Mary Grace. And so, if you have family or friends or people just inquiring to join our program and they're kind of on the fence or hesitant, what would you say to them?
I would say really give it a try. It is a great community. Um, there's really great people that'll help motivate you and really encourage you. The accountability part is great. I think that is really the part that really drives the program to get your results. And you have really great coaches like Patrick and Aki.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Mary Grace, for sharing. We're super proud of you. Keep up the hard work. And so for everyone that's viewing this video, I want to give you guys my latest copy of the Weight Loss Detox. There's some simple recipes in here. There's some simple workouts, my 5-step formula that boosts metabolism. So you can click the link below or comment below me, and I'll make sure to grab a free copy. And also send you a copy of my latest weight loss mini course. So you guys can take advantage of all of that.